I'm Damien Stewart, aka Frey, and this is my artwork. It's called Sounds Like Light, Lights Like Sound, and it's an interactive, immersive installation. It converts any space into a playful environment for the exploration of abstract sound and light. So what does that mean? Well, let me show you. We start with a disused industrial space. Clean it out and put coloured lights and some speakers in it. Now put in a video camera and a laptop. Feed the live video image from the camera through some software on the laptop and detect movement and track it. Then make the whole thing interactive, so when you move around the space, the sounds and the lights respond directly to your movement. Here's a simple scene to demonstrate. A turntable. You are the needle, the room is the record. Walk around the room to play the record. In the next scene, circular movement around the space sets the pitch of a tone. Walk clockwise and the tone descends. Ooh. Walk anti-clockwise and the tone ascends. Ooh. Adding light, the colour of the light follows the pitch of the tone. Red is low, blue is high. The scenes demonstrated here were developed during the Wellington Fringe Festival 2007, where Sounds Like Light, Lights Like Sound won Best Visual Arts. The space used was a disused keg room beneath an inner city bar. The next scene allows you to fragment recorded music into tiny repeating portions. A fine level of control allows intuitive interaction with the space. Subtle movements make subtle changes. Dramatic movements make dramatic changes. Sounds Like Light, Lights Like Sound converts any space into an environment for playful interaction with sound and light. With little prompting, visitors to the space find themselves moving, dancing and spazzing out, as several said at the Wellington Fringe version, as their motion becomes intuitively connected to the sound they are hearing and the light they're seeing. People said, "It's like a total trip, very psychedelic." One woman said, "That thing is magic. I went in feeling tired and now I've got all my energy back." Other people said, "Wow, awesome." They wanted another go. So that was Sounds Like Light, Lights Like Sound. It's an interactive immersive installation, and when it's all packed down it fits into a suitcase. I'm developing it constantly, so what you saw today was just a snapshot of where it's at right now. I'm currently touring around the UK and Europe with it. So if you've got a gallery where you'd like to see it, or you're running a festival or a conference and you'd like to see some sort of an interactive installation there, please think about getting in touch with me. My email address is damien@frey.co.nz, or you can visit my website www.frey.co.nz. choice. Okay, thanks heaps for watching.